it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something that I have wanted to make for a very long time. This is a Ro recipe because this is one of my favorite recipes in the entire world, and this took a very long time to get perfect. Okay, I don't know about you, but my favorite tropical drink are Pina Coladas, and I have been drinking them for years. I've been trying different recipes at different restaurants, at different bars, everywhere until I found the perfect Pina Colada. I tasted it in Hawaii at the Four Seasons, and my life changed that day. I drank it and I said, oh, this is the best Pina Colada I've ever had in my entire life. Please give me the recipe. And then Chef said, no way, Ro. We know that you're gonna share that recipe with everybody. And I said, yes, I completely will. Because when I find something I love to share it. But I convinced Chef to give me the ingredients. They gave me a head start, but we had to figure out all of the measurements and process on our own. We did a lot of recipe testing. So, you know, we had Aloha Fridays over here, which I'm not gonna lie, we're pretty awesome. But now we've got it, we've perfected it, and I think it is the most similar to the one I tried in Hawaii, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So today, if you like pina coladas, I've got a recipe for you. And even if you don't like pina coladas, you may love them after you try this recipe. And the recipe that I'm making today is gonna be spirited, but you can make a virgin pina colada and they taste just as good. They are so good, you just don't add the alcohol. The ratios are still wow. Also, if you ever visit Hawaii and you want a great pina colada, I heavily recommend the Four Seasons. Let's get started. Let's make some pina coladas. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, okay. Oh my gosh, yes. Here is the bad boy blender. This is a Vitamix. It's commercial grade and it's called the Quiet One. Now, a couple years ago when I was trying to make the perfect pina colada, I was just using my other blender and the consistency just wasn't right. So on the last trip to Hawaii, I actually just watched bartender. I was just staring. I might have creeped him out, I hope not. Maybe he's used to it. But this was the machine that he was using. I got home, I've had a rough year, and I decided to treat myself. I just went ahead and ordered it. This is my pina colada machine. I don't even use this for anything else. This is just pina coladas for the rest of my life right here. What I really like about this is in pina coladas, you crush ice so it can be really loud. You're not just making an average smoothie. So it has this. Oh yeah, which makes it really quiet. This kind of like grippy, rubbery base down here, and when you close it, I don't know if it's airtight or whatever, but it's like, sounds like it. It's like snug as a bug in a rug. So for today's recipe, I'm gonna be using this bad boy because this is the exact one that they use at the hotel, but you can use any blender at home. The texture just won't be as perfect, but the taste will be dang good. Can't really go wrong with a pina colada in my opinion. That's why I order them everywhere. Even at the cheapest bars, I will enjoy that pina colada. Even a trash pina colada I will drink it because I love them. Yum, 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 yum. In front of me, I have all of the ingredients to make these pina coladas. I'll be putting the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below, so if you would like to make these at home, you can. We've got fresh pineapple, pineapple juice, coconut milk, nutmeg, lime juice, cream of coconut, and the brand I like is Coco Lopez. This is my favorite, and I feel like this is what makes the pina coladas, the ones I taste so good. I mean, this is like a secret weapon right here. Yum. And then some rum. I've tried a bunch of different rums, and I really like using a white rum, and I like using Flor De Cana. And if you want to make these non-alcoholic, just skip this ingredient entirely. You don't need to replace it with water or anything. You can just make your drink as is, and it's gonna taste so good, like a fresh pineapple coconut smoothie. And I've got a bunch of ice over here. Now, this recipe makes about 3 to 4 drinks depending on your cup size. So for alcohol, I have about 3 to 4 ounces so that each glass gets about a shot of alcohol, but if you'd like your pina coladas to be stronger, which a lot of people do, you can add more spirit. I don't judge. I am not one to judge, but I like a little less because I really love to enjoy all of the flavors. For me, it is not only about the rum, it is also about the whole tropical flavors. I love to taste everything, even the little hint of nutmeg. I love it. I love to taste just that little bit, and I feel like if you add too much alcohol, you really do miss all those little flavors. So for me, a perfectionist of the pina coladas, this is the perfect blend. All right, now this is my favorite part. Let's mix it up. I'm gonna open this. First, we're gonna add our ice. This is a little loud. This is about 4.5 cups. Get in there. Hold on, gotta loosen them. We're good, we're good. Add your fresh pineapple, pineapple juice, cream of coconut, Coco Loco, I love you, coconut milk, fresh lime juice, a little bit of nutmeg. Gosh, I love nutmeg. Why is it in all my favorite recipes? Gingerbread cookies, pina coladas, PSLs. I feel like nutmeg is just like a wiener. Last but not least, a little bit of spirit. Again, this part is totally optional. If you'd like to make virgin pina coladas, just skip this step. But we're getting in the spirit today, so we're going for it. All right, I'm just gonna mix this up a little bit. Now I'm doing this because I'm used to my dinky blender where I kind of had to help it out a lot, but this thing is so strong, I actually don't have to do this. This is just habit. Okay, this is ready. On goes the lid. Oh my goodness, and happiness is just seconds away. Here we go. Push this down. Oh wow, there we go. That's like a hug. Come here, and then I'm gonna push number 4. Yes! It's counting down. That's right. It has a setting. The pina coladas are ready. All right, I'm gonna grab some glasses. I'm using a traditional hurricane glass. You've probably seen a lot of tropical drinks in these glasses, but when I think of a pina colada, I think hurricane glass. But I've drank a pina colada in anything. I've even drank a pina colada in a red cup. I mean, I've done it. Not proud, but also not ashamed. Pretty neutral. Gotta do what you gotta do. Ooh, yeah. Yes! Wow, look at that perfect consistency. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Wow. And then this is for more glasses that I didn't get out yet. Then you can garnish them however. We've got fresh pineapple, little cherries, little umbrellas. When I was in Hawaii, they would put a fresh flower in there and I was like, oh, it's so pretty. I didn't have a fresh flower, but I had these little umbrellas, so I thought this was just as cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh. There we are. Aloha Friday. We've arrived. Boop. Okay. I'm not a bartender, but this is my one drink that I love to make. It is, ow, I'm so excited. Okay, and then we've got straws. And what are these? Oh, what? They're paper. Oh yeah. So you've got to drink these quick. Boop, there you go. And ta-da, there you have it. This is my favorite pina colada recipe. This is one of the recipes that I am the most excited about this year. I know it's really simple, but it's so good and you don't understand how many different brands and ingredients and measurements and testing went into this. Months to get the perfect pina colada. And now, we've got it. If you like pina coladas, check out this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. I'll be taking pictures and posting them everywhere. If you guys make these, please take a picture and send it to me. I love seeing your creations. I will also be posting the recipe and all of the ingredients in the description down below if you would like to follow along at home. And now, after all that hard work, let's have a sip. Oh, I love it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. This is my favorite. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like watching recipe videos, row recipes, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, it's officially a pool day now. It's a pool day. This is empty, and I don't care.